Google's AI mode just got a massive upgrade, a new left side panel, deeper search capabilities, and access for everyone in the US. This is Google's big move to crush ChatGPT and Perplexity. GadInsider's got the full scoop. You're gonna want to see this. What's good, GadInsider crew? Google's shaken up search with its AI mode, now packed with advanced features to make your searches smarter and faster. From a new desktop panel to visual cards and wider access, Google's taking on AI rivals like never before. We've got the latest leaks and updates. Let's dive in. First up, Google's opening the floodgates. AI mode, once stuck behind a waitlist, is now available to all US users 18 and up who sign up for Google Labs. No more exclusivity. Plus, some lucky users are spotting an AI mode tab right in Google search. This experimental feature lets you ask complex questions and follow-ups, making it a legit rival to Perplexity AI and OpenAI's ChatGPT search. A game changer? A new left side panel in AI mode on desktop. It lets you revisit past searches and ask follow-up questions without starting over. Working on a big project like planning a trip or researching a topic, this panel keeps your search flow seamless, saving you time and effort. It's perfect for diving deeper into topics or picking up where you left off. Google's also rolling out visual place and product cards in AI mode. Searching for a local restaurant or vintage shop, you'll get detailed cards with ratings, real-time prices, and more. Think Yelp meets Google search. These cards make browsing faster and richer, whether you're hunting for dinner spots or unique finds. It's AI-powered search with a visual punch. Why is Google going all in? They're gunning for AI competitors, AI modes, upgrades, smarter follow-ups, visual cards, and that slick panel aim to outshine Perplexity's answer engine and ChatGPT's search. With local processing for faster responses and matter-like interoperability vibes, Google's betting on AI mode to keep you in their ecosystem, whether for quick answers or long-term research. As it's huge, Google's AI mode is turning search into a powerhouse for complex questions, projects, and shopping. With wider access and next-level features, it's ready to take on the AI big dogs. Whether you're a student, shopper, or curious mind, this could change how you search. But can Google keep the momentum? We're watching closely. If you're stoked for Google's AI mode, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more AI and tech leaks.